Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make this sticker sheet using Canva and clip art. So let's get started. The first thing I'll do is I will click add a new page. But what you will do is go to File, choose Create New Design, and most likely choose 8.5 by 11, which is the US letter size, which is what I did here. So from there, it'll just open up a new design space like this with a blank page. So once you get there, I'll just add a new page. It'll look something like that, just a blank white page. And the first thing we'll do is go to Grids. Okay, scroll down, and I think I chose a 4x4. Yeah, about a 4x4 size grid. I think it's that one. From there, for the background, I typed in confetti, which is showing up here, and chose this cute little one with, what's it called? Star glitter pink. Little hearts and stars. Not hearts, but little pink stars in it. And I just I just moved it into each square, like that. Just to give me a background base that I'm going to use under my clip art. So you're just going to keep clicking on it and moving it into each square so it just fits into the square automatically. You can choose another image if you want in the Canva catalog. I just like this one because it was like a nice white, mostly neutral background so that my clip art will show better. I tried it before with something that was dark and it just wasn't, it was too much and you couldn't really see the clip art on top of it. Okay, so once we're done there, I'll go to my uploads where I've already uploaded my clip art image. I'll choose this one. I will shrink it down and move it up to the square. I'll shrink it down a little bit more. Kind of fits. And from here, I'm just going to copy it and move it over. And copy it again and move it over. And just want to straighten that up and click on it, copy it again. So I have a row of 4. I can see that it's lined up with the little dotted lines, the parallel lines letting you know that it's lined up. And from here, to save time, I'm going to, while the last one is selected, I'm going to hold Shift and I'm going to click on the other 3. I am going to click on Group, and then I'm going to click on Copy, and then I'm just going to move this down 1 row, and then I'm going to click on Copy, and I'm going to move that down to the next row, and then I'm going to click on Copy. You get the picture, and move this down to the last row. There are my little lines letting you know that it is all aligned. And now I can just save it. print it, which I mean is, download it as a PDF for print. Choose, you'll probably just have one page, so you don't have to choose a page, but since I have 2 pages, I need to enter the page that I want to print, and I can click on download, and it'll go ahead and save it as a PDF so that I can print that. And then you probably also want to go to File and save your design if you want to come back to it and maybe change it or use it again. And so that is how I made this sticker sheet, which is really easy to do, as you can see. As you can see, it's like not completely lined up, but you can go back and change that. I don't mind that. I think it's interesting, but they're not all exactly the same. So that completes the tutorial to show you how I made a really quick and easy sticker sheet that you can go ahead and print this out on label paper, sticker sheet paper, and have 16 stickers that you can put in your planner and use however you like. So I hope you like this tutorial. Let me know and give me any ideas you have for any future tutorials. I'm always open to ideas. And have a great day.